Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Intex EasySet Pool, 18-foot round solar pool cover and type of filter, 6-pack. This pool comes with an 18-foot round EasySet swimming pool solar cover and EasySet type of replacement filter cartridges, 6-pack. This pool will make your backyard the place to be all summer as your family can relax and play. Get everything you need in one package. This set is constructed of puncture-resistant 3-ply material and includes a 1,500 GPH filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and debris cover. Product benefits. Easy setup design is ready for water in as little as 30 minutes, no tools needed. Aeration Technology for improved circulation and filtration, improved water clarity, and increased negative ions at the water surface. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.